Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Galaxy Wolf, and today I'm going to be talking about the 5 tools you must know in Minecraft. Like, a lot of you know it, but like you might not know how to use it, but you do know it in real life. You know, like the sword, the pickaxe, the axe, the shovel, and the hoe. Okay, so we're gonna find the pickaxe first. The netherite pickaxe is the strongest, but I'm gonna use an iron pickaxe. Because most of you guys, nowadays the speed runs, you only need an iron pickaxe and not a diamond pickaxe. Because you can make the nether portal without one. There's a new way to make it. Okay, so we're gonna test it out. Where's some stone? Oh wait, down here. Hello, turtle! Okay, so down here, we have some, you can mine coal, like all the ores are coal. You got coal here. It's like black colored, black spots. Oh my gosh, I can't see. Oh no, I gotta swim really fast to get here. Okay, and then there's iron. It's sort of, it's white colored a little. But not that white. And then we got lapis. And then copper. Copper is pretty much useless unless you have a lot of storms nearby and you need a lightning rod to not burn your house down. Okay. I also don't recommend going mining in a water-filled cavern. Here's some magma. So, it's because, unless you're, you already have potions of water breathing, or else it's really risky that you're gonna die there and drown. A dead end. Oh, no. It's a dead end. I'm gonna get a... Oh, my... Or, unless you can mine quick enough and have a little water breathing hole. Sometimes the water just flows in, and then you don't have a water breathing hole. Mining some iron. That's a lot of iron. I don't think there's any diamonds in here, so I'm just going to get out. And then the next tool. Oh my gosh, I'm punching sand. Oh my god. There, reshaped. Okay, so the next tool is a shovel. I'm going to be showing that. So, you can dig up sand, gravel, dirt, and any kind of variant of dirt, like rooted dirt, and any kind of dirt and grass, dirt, whatever. And then, but if you punch fish, even with an iron pickaxe, it's not gonna be that easy. You have to make the right tool. So if you punch with your if you punch I don't know. Let's see. No, okay. Emerald S. Okay, there we go. So if you punch a fish with your fist, it normally takes 3 or 2 punches to kill it. But if you punch it with a sword, it's only going to have 1 for it's 1 or 2 for a stone sword, still 3 for a wooden sword, and 1 hit for an iron sword. And so that tells you that you have to have the right tools. So if you punch a tree with your hand, and then you punch a tree with an axe, you cut it, and then it doesn't take that long. See, here's how fast you can punch it with your hand. But here's how fast you can punch it with anything else other than an iron axe. See? It's got more pickles. So here's how fast you can punch it with your hand. Here's how fast you can do it with a shovel. It's the same. It's mostly the same. But if you use an axe, then it's way faster. Okay? So you gotta have the right tools for your stuff. Okay? And I'm going to have, okay, so the difficulty is peaceful. Okay, I just needed to check. I was thinking that there's going to be creepers outside, and I was afraid that they're going to blow up my house. Okay, let's have a look over here. I'm going to see, so I'm going to chop down a tree to see here how fast. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Okay. And then we can get some spruce woods. Oh no, I forgot. I don't have enough spruce wood. I forgot to make them into planks. Planks did not show up on my screen. I didn't know why. I'm gonna chop down a tree right here, so I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, so now I've chopped my tree. And then the next thing I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here's how fast you can dig up sand using an iron shovel. It's pretty fast. It's like almost just clicking it once and then it's over. Although you just have to hold a little bit. For a diamond pickaxe, for a diamond shovel, it's going to be like one click and then the sand just drops. Okay, so like, yeah. You could shovel up dirt, grass, podzol, rooted dirt, but I can't show you this right now because I don't have rooted dirt. There's no azalea trees over here, so then you can mine sandstone. Sandstone. Don't mix up sand with sandstone, okay? And you could also mine, dig up with a shovel some coarse dirt, too. See? Over here. And then we got some mossy cobblestone. Kind of just only decoration use because you can't craft. I don't know if you can craft stone tools with this. Or maybe a furnace. I don't know. Oh, and you can, oh my god. And also for sweet berries, you don't need, oh my god, I found rooted dirt. Well, I guess there is an azalea tree now. Okay, so we're gonna give at this. A hoe. Where's my hoe? Hello? Oh, wait a second. I forgot to mention, like, you have to have a specific, it's an iron hoe. There we go. An iron hoe. I don't really know. You could use anything. Also, if you right click grass, dirt, not rooted dirt though, not coarse dirt, but you can make it into a path block. And it's getting really dark. Oh, wait a second. Rooted dirt doesn't really need you to have anything to pick it up. But you could actually just use anything. Okay. Okay, you could use your hand, I guess. I guess you don't need a shovel with if you want to use it on rated dirt. I don't know. Okay, it's really dark. You can't see anything. So I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I can't even see anything. I'm gonna fast forward this because it's really annoying to see. Maybe I'm not gonna. Oh, wait a second, I got it out. Okay. I thought I was going to have to spend there for a long time. Oh, now I gotta go home. And I'm not home yet. Oh, wait a second. I haven't talked about. Oh, yeah. And you can also use a hoe on dirt to make some farmland. Yeah. Also, whenever it rains or you have any water source blocks nearby, it will turn into this darker color of soil. You know. So it's got water in it. And then it'll make the plants grow faster. Yeah. And then, okay. Let's see. I haven't talked about the sword yet. But there are no animals nearby right now. So I'm gonna go back home. Oh my god. I can't see. I'm gonna go back home up to my treehouse that I built earlier. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go up here. And we're just gonna spawn in a chicken and get a sword so that I can show you what a sword does. Okay. Chicken spawn egg. Wait now. I forgot the underscore again. It's. Oh my god. Okay. And then we need an iron sword. Slash give add as iron sword. Also, this is a very good time to learn. Okay, so here's a chicken. Yeah, it just kills it in one swing for an iron sword. Okay. Okay, and then so this is it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And so leave a like and subscribe, please. Bye.